Hello, this is Amrit Maldonado from the Panther product support team at Prolifics. Today I'm going to talk about some of the Panther 5.5.2 new features. Let's first talk about the Panther Web Features. External cache support. Today Panther Web supports file-based caching, meaning your application state like bundles and global variables are stored in a file on the web server. But with 5.5.2, you're able to save your state in an external cache, for example, in a Redis cache, which is an in-memory data structure storage. In fact, a sample of implementing Redis caching comes bundled with 5.5.2. Our Panther Web debugger, yes, it does come bundled with 5.5.2 on the cloud as well as on-premise. We also have a new Panther Web Migration utility. These are for customers that are looking to migrate their Gem or Panther screens to the web. This utility allows you to convert your screens to HTML and JavaScript. Microservices and REST support. Now, Panther 5.5.2 is now able to fully support sending and receiving data using the content type of application/JSON, which gives you the ability to expose your Gem and Panther backend functionality as microservices or REST APIs, and even to non-Panther applications or mobile apps. Also included in 5.5.2 is a data tables REST sample. Along with our new REST support, we're now able to support authentication and authorization for those Panther REST calls. In fact, an implementation of Auth0 is included in our samples folder. Column headers for scrollable data grids. This is a new feature for our data grid widgets. In 5.5.2, our JServer now generates the thead HTML tag, allowing the column titles to stay in place as you scroll down the grid. We have a new JavaScript alert function called WebJS Alert, which gives you the ability to customize your JavaScript pop-up messages. All right, let's move on to your Panther core features, which are your non-web features. One new feature here is the export section of your Windows INI file. This is a Windows platform-only new feature. It gives you the ability to set an environment variable directly from your INI file under the environmental section. You're also able to save a screen to the file system, provided you open the screen from the file system as opposed to from a Panther or Gem library. And now for those customers with very busy screens, we've got some enhanced auto resize and positioning capabilities. All right, now for your report writer, these are some of the new features. Your background color of empty labels. Now, basically your report labels can now have a background color even though there's no text in them. It's blank. We've also support CSV drivers now for your report writers, as well as being able to password protect your PDF reports. Next is support for your DBI drivers and compilers. So as usual, we support the latest database drivers like Oracle 18, Sybase 16, Informix 12, SQL Server 2017, DB2 version 11, and for a compiler, Microsoft Visual Studio 2017.
Thanks for the amazing demo, Amrit. And to the viewers, thanks for watching. If you have liked the video, please press the like button. If you are viewing our content for the first time, please press the subscribe button. If you have any queries, post them in the comment section. Or if you want to download Panther 5.5.2, please email us at support@prolifics.com.